Hey everybody, Michael from MoLight here. Just want to save you a little heartache with your Godox speedlights. I see this, I don't want to say often, but often enough that it's time to say something and hopefully prevent some catastrophic damage to your flash. If you have a speedlight and you hear some rattling on the inside of the main body of the flash, I'm not talking about the head, although that would be bad as well, but the main body of the flash, you hear some rattling, stop using it. Okay. What's happened is there's likely a screw that got loose, and it's most likely from your hot shoe. One of these screws came unscrewed, and that happens a lot, I think, with wedding photographers, because you hang the camera off your shoulder and it's swinging around and it's torquing that hot shoe as it's in the camera's hot shoe and back and forth and swinging back and forth and hitting little kids as you go through the reception. I know, because I used to do that. Just the ones that were misbehaving. Anyway, and, these will loosen up, even though they're kind of epoxied down. There's a chance that they could loosen up because, hey, look, here's one from a different hot shoe. And that can fall inside your speedlight and make that rattling sound, which is not a big deal. Well, that rattling sound means that there's a screw rolling around inside, and it could short out your main drive board like we have going on here. Now, this one is actually not a screw from this part. It looks like it's a screw from the very base of a hot shoe. And I don't know if you can see this real close, but you can actually see the screw is welded onto the main drive board here. So it's shorted so bad that it actually affixed itself to the main drive board. So, if you hear that rattling, it's an easy fix. If your flash hasn't died yet, take the base of the hot shoe off. I mean, it's just four little screws here. Remove that. You've got a ribbon cable there. Detach that. If you've had to replace one of these before, it's pretty easy. But detach that, turn your flash right side up, shake it, and get that screw to fall out. If it came from your hot shoe, replace it and make sure it's tightened down tight. Same thing with all the other screws there, and take care of it before it does short out your main drive board, because you're looking at a $130 repair. And your flash not being used for a few weeks at least by the time you order the repair and ship to us. We repair it and ship it back, all that kind of stuff. So save yourself some headaches, save yourself some money. If you hear your flash rattling around, there's a screw inside of it, stop using it, pop the battery out, remove your hot shoe off the bottom of the flash, shake your flash a little bit, and get that screw to come out before it causes some major damage. And if it did cause damage, you can go onto the repair page of the MoLight website, and we do repair these. Just did one this morning, replaced this one. Did one over the weekend too, so I had two in a row. Anyway, hopefully that helps. And as always, happy to help out when we can.